Wow, wow, wow.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, reigning by.
Igbo kwenu, Onitsha kwenu enu.
Afam bụ Esther Onyinye Chukwumba.
Afam bụ Angela Otetukumba.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be teaching my little daughters about Nigerian culture and tradition, though I've been giving them some little highlights, but today I want to give them some more highlights about the culture and traditions of Nigeria. We believe we should be passing our heritage down to our children. So today, I'm going to be sharing with them some things that made Nigerian culture and tradition to be unique and special. So I prepared a PowerPoint with lots of things to display to them. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you get updates whenever a new video is posted.
Hello.
Yes, today you are going to see something special also. They are going to perform the Nigerian cultural dance with their Igbo cultural attire. So far, what I've told you before. So what question would you like to ask me?
How many languages are they in Nigeria?
Okay, we are going to talk about the language first, right? Let's look into how many languages there is in Nigeria. As you can see from the screen here, Nigeria is Africa's most populous country and has one of the largest aggregate of ethnic groups in Africa. So there are more than 300 Nigerian tribes and different languages. And I'll show you how many languages Nigeria have. But the major tribes in Nigeria, like I told you before, we have Igbo, the Hausas and the Yorubas. So which one do you think you belong to?
Igbo.
The Igbos, yeah. So you are the Igbos. You can see the Igbos, you see the dressing, the Hausa, you see the Igbo culture dress, the Hausas, and then the Yoruba dressing. Because these tribes I'm talking about, these ethnic groups in Nigeria have their different cultures, different language, different dressing, different kind of food they eat. Everything about all of them, they are different. Okay, the official language of Nigeria. You ask how many languages we have in Nigeria, and you can see Nigeria is a multilingual nation with over 520 languages.
That's a lot.
And one of the languages is the Igbo language. Okay, but the official language of Nigeria is English, which is former language of colonial British Nigeria. Nigeria was ruled by British from 1800 to 1960. So Nigeria became a British protectorate in 1901.
How many languages can you speak?
How many languages can I speak? I can speak, I think, only 3 out of 520 languages. I can speak the English language, which is our official language. I can speak the Igbo language, which is my ethnic language from where I come from, Igbo. And then I can speak a little bit of Yoruba language, okay, because I was born in Lagos, Yoruba land. So these 3 languages in Nigeria I can speak out of the 520 languages. Okay, so now you've known about the Nigerian languages, right? You can see in the middle the king of Onitsha. You remember the king of Onitsha? Yeah, with the big hat. That is the Obi of Onitsha. Igbo Alfred Ashebe. He is the king of my town, Onitsha Kingdom. Traditionally, this is the attire traditional wedding dress. They dress like that. Now you can see people with their cultural dancing clothes, just like yours. You see the cultural dancing clothes for different people, different culture. This one, the Calabas, the down one, the Yorubas, the other one, the Igbos. So people have their different cultural dancing clothes, different attires from different tribes.
What's that? It looks very huge.
That one is called a masquerade. Usually a masquerade. Yeah, you're going to see it when you go to Nigeria. It's a masquerade for big occasion. It comes out, only on a very important special occasion. I will show you the video where it is being displayed. It's the biggest masquerade, usually masquerade.
Only boys wear it.
Yes, women don't go close to the masquerade. Women is Nigerian culture. The women are not allowed. It's for men. You cannot go. You can stay far to look at. You can stay very far to watch it, but you cannot go close to it. It is a taboo. Women are not allowed to go near the masquerade. Okay, it is for men.
So you can go close to it.
Yes. You cannot go. You can only stay and be watching it from far, but you don't go close to it.
Then my friend years ago close to it. What happened?
It's just a taboo. Girls are not allowed to go close to it, and nothing special, nothing happens anyway. But it is a kind of respect you give to that masquerade, that women don't have to come close to it. So women doesn't have anything to do, only to be around them and cheer them up. Don't go close to it. That is from what I know. Okay.
Is it there's for girls? Masquerade too?
There is masquerade that wear like girls masquerade, but it's not still allowed. They don't still allow girls to go. They call it Adama masquerade. It dances like a woman, it wears like a woman, put on the women masquerade, but it is also men that does it, not women. Women don't go close to it. Then the next one. Now let's talk about the fruits you can find in Nigeria. The food and fruits, okay? Now this is the fruits. You know what? Have you seen any of these fruits before? Yeah.
No, I've seen the corn.
I've seen corn. Yes, there's corn here. What about avocado pear?
The very red.
There's avocado pear. Yeah, you buy it, but it's imported. But the one is cashew. Cashew. You normally eat the nut, cashew nut. Sometimes you buy it in box. Cashew nut, you eat it in Korea. I've not seen it in Korea yet. So Nigeria have a lot of fruits, vegetable. You see this one?
Or
Tangerine. Mangoes.
Mango.
There's a lot of mango in Nigeria. You go, there are different kind of mangoes. It's called papaya, called pawpaw, tangerine.
Is it there's golden mango?
Yeah, this mango. Then when it comes to
Banana.
farms, you see, no, this is plantain. Remember last time we went to African restaurant? Yes, we went to African restaurant and then you ate the plantain. This is the plantain you ate. Now this is how it is. Then the other one is yam and the cassava and the plantain. Actually, this is the plantain farm. This is when it is being harvested from the farm. This one is fried rice. We have the jollof rice. We have the pie, meat pie. Yes, you can see the meat pie there. The up one, you see plantain. You saw it last time. You ate plantain in the African restaurant. Yeah, the plantain. And so this is some of the Nigerian food. We have a lot of very, very delicious food. All varieties, lot of food.
So you try a lot of food in there?
You eat a lot in Nigeria. Different, beautiful, interesting food that you don't even know they exist. You don't even know about it, or you can't find them yet. But there are a lot of different food. So we don't just eat one or two types of food. We eat a lot of different varieties of food. You can see from here. You can see fufu. Yeah, fufu is. We don't have fufu in this picture. Now this is the modern city structure. Is here in Nigeria. This is Lagos and some other part of Nigeria. This is some cities in Nigeria, and then we have tourist places tourists. We have the Obudu Forest Reserve, where you can see the cable cars, all those things. We have a lot of places for tourists in Nigeria. Then also, yes, Nigerian manufacturers cars. They have car manufacturing company in Nigeria known as Inosim Motors Nigeria Limited. Okay, then we talk about Nigerian cultural dance, music and dance in Nigeria. Okay, which you are going to dance for us today. Let them see your dancing skills. So we have cultural dances. Go and get ready to show us your dancing skills with your Igbo cultural dance. Okay, go and get ready for that. Wow.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, reigning by.
Igbo kwado, Onitsha kwado eno.
Afambo Esther Onyinye Chukwumba.
Afambo Angela Otetukumba.
Now this is the Igbo cultural dancing clothes for kids, and I'm gonna call my sister. Then let her explain to you about this your attire. Okay? Call my sister. Let's call Nigeria. And let's see. Yeah, hello. Yeah, okay. Can you see? This is the cloth. Can you see them? Let me talk with her.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm having fun and thank you for asking.
How is Uche?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look good. Let me see. Wow! You guys look good in this Igbo traditional dancing clothes.
Thank
Good
you.
on you.
Thank
You
you.
see my artwork?
You know she made it for you. She designed these clothes for you.
Thank you for designing these clothes.
Yes, yes. And to speak, everything looks good on you. Do you know the real meaning of this clothes?
No.
You know this Igbo traditional dancing clothes. And for Igbo people, this clothes you are wearing is called Isiago. Do you know what is Isiago?
Isiago.
Lion head.
You see the lion head there? Yeah, it's a traditional cloth for Igbo people. Very good traditional cloth for Igbo people. Then what you are wearing in your head is what we call coral bead. Coral bead is aka. In Igbo language, we call it aka.
Okay.
You get that? You say, so this is called coral bead. The English name is coral bead, and the Igbo language we call it aka. You get that?
We call it aka. I bought it and designed it this way for you. I was not and I did it.
Thank
You
you.
can see the one you are wearing in your waist.
The one you're wearing?
The one you're wearing in your waist it's called coral bead. They are all coral bead.
Coral bead.
It's called Igbo traditional dancing wears.
Okay.
For traditional thing, we wear coral. So it's not the meaning of what you're wearing now.
You get that?
Is there any question?
Yes. I said aqua was the hand.
No. Okay. She thought aka is hand. Yes, aka is something. This is aka. They say this is aka. So there is difference between aka and aka.
It's
Aka.
called aka, not aka. Aka is hand.
Wow.
It's called aka.
That is a very good question. She knows that means she knows what
Coral bead.
coral bead.
It's called coral in English.
That is aka. Aka in Igbo. Aka. But aka is hand. Aka is hand. Okay. That's a good question. Do you have any other question?
Any question?
No.
What? Disco.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. That is called Unse.
Nze.
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 In Onisha language, we call it Otinri.
But Igbo general call it Unse.
Nze.
Nze.
Then why in here there's like a hole or something? Why there's little lines showing with hole?
You can wear it. You can put your hand inside.
Put my hand inside.
But it's too small. You can put your hand to hold it so that you don't fall down.
But this one is so big.
Yes.
Oh.
That is us. If you are dancing, it's just a fashion. If you are dancing, you hold it to dance.
Okay.
To dance. It's just fashion.
Okay. Fashion.
So, do you have any other question to ask?
Oh, and why do we need to use aga with on top of our head?
Head?
Yes, you can wear it anywhere in your head, your waist.
But
your
this
hand.
is like a crown.
Yeah, because you are girls.
Okay, in Igbo land, this aka is only for the princess.
Oh.
For the princess.
Princess.
So, okay.
The princess you wear it in your hand. Okay. You see, the aka you are wearing in your head is to show that you're a princess. And the princess you wear aka in your head.
It shows you are a princess.
At the top of your head.
You get that?
You put it in your leg. You are wearing it in your leg. Let me see your leg. Yes, it shows you are a princess.
Princess. Okay.
Yes. Let me see your hand. Okay.
Yes?
Uche, see you. Let me see your attire.
Uche.
Uche, you look good.
Thank you.
Wow. Uche,
Yes?
your attire shows that you are a real Igbo girl. You girls should enjoy yourself and have fun. Have fun.
Okay, thank you.
All right, dear. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
A few moments later.
You like your clothes?
Yes.
Your dancing today was very good. So, but the audience are going to tell us who was the best dancer. So, they are going to comment on the video, go to our short video on YouTube and comment on who among them was or is the best dancer. I think there's going to be a prize for that. I'm going to give them a prize. Anybody who win the best dancer will get a prize from me. So comment on our YouTube short and tell us who you think was the best dancer today in their dancing video.
Oh, vote for me. I'm the best dancer.
No way. I'm the best.
Vote for me. Vote for me. I'm the best. I'm the best. Please vote for me.
So we are going to know who win from the comment section on your YouTube short. We are going to know who is the best dancer. Let the people comment and tell us who is the best.
Vote for me. Vote for me. Please vote for me. Please vote for me. I'm the best dancer. Please vote for me. Please.
Thank